Yeah, man, shouts out to KandyonChrome, you know what I'm saying?
We don't mean mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go. What you saying? Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go.
Step through the door, running through the air, ass to the floor. See that money come fast, get brain, she think slow. Jay tell you lean in the night, I think so. Money blow like Joe, bitch, I'm high in the ozone. Hugh Hef bitches, I ain't even got a robe on. Bunny hop.
You feel me? It's your boy from Dade County, Allen Lewis Genius. Shout out to Little Haiti. It's Alpha Drone. That's ALPA_V Drone. You can find me on YouTube and on Facebook. Sky's Unlimited.
Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go.
Say it, so let's just say, tryna check it in a vicious way. Popping that thing like corn at the movies. Trick on shine like two big rubies. Hot like potatoes, mashed in a pie. Call her princess, ass a lot. Miniskirt check, high heels check. Rump shaker to the Rex in the fake. Shawty on fire like what you expect. Sex at the pool right there on the date. Smoked all white from the BYG. Donkey fat in the face of me.
Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go. What you saying? Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go. Give it to her now. Shake, shake, ride. 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 Now drop it on down. Drop it on down. Now drop it on down. Drop it on down.
What you think of the Vert? Huh? What you think of the Vert? What you think of the car?
I love it. You must be a singer. You must be a singer.
A singer?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not a singer.
Are you an actor?
I'm not an actor.
You gotta be one of them.
I fix air conditioning.
Huh?
I fix air conditioning.
You do everything.
I fix air conditioning.
You fix air conditioning with that?
Say it, so let's just say, tryna check it in a vicious way. Popping that thing like corn at the movies. Trick on shine like two big rubies. Hot like potatoes, mashed in a pie. Call her princess, ass a lot. Miniskirt check, high heels check. Rump shaker to the Rex in the fake. Shawty on fire like what you expect. Sex at the pool right there on the date. Smoked all white from the BYG. Donkey fat in the face of me.
Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go. What you saying? Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go. Give it to her now. Shake, shake, ride. 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 Now drop it on down. Drop it on down. Now drop it on down. Drop it on down. Now drop it on down. Drop it on down. Now drop it on down. Drop it on down. Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go. What you saying? Meaning mine and more. Catch a girl with a camel toe. If she hollers, let her go.
Just finished fucking, la mama wrote a dudgeon. I slay this beat, nigga, call me bucket. Sojourner in my cup, so just trust me. I do little niggas, call me lucky. I kick ass, want me to foot you? Red Riding Hood, got a cousin that'll crook you. Past tense, wishing that you coulda, shoulda, woulda, butter, etc. So much money, get it off me. Got the game locked down, cerebral palsy. Nigga, I'm fly. I'm a smooth operator, action. Yeah, I'm a fool with it. Got the shit like I don't know what to do with it. CGBM, that's the move.
What's it like, man, South Florida with the Vert?
Hey man, this is the life right here. You got the water, you got the top down, you just cruising.
We got
Always
the AC
somebody
on too, right?
With the AC on. That's how we do it, South Florida, man. AC piping. We need a digital thing to see that. That's 20-something degrees right there. Look at that water. I'm a 9 to 5, man. I used to put air conditioning in. I was the hood AC man. I fixed everybody AC. You name it, I used to fix it. I done got too old for all that. So So I sit behind the desk all day. That's all I do. And I manage an air conditioning company.
What's it like to build these cars on a 9-to-5 budget?
Hey, listen, you do what you can with what you got. I make sure I got properties. So I work hard to get to where I'm at, to be comfortable. You know what I mean? It ain't easy, but I go to work every day. Every damn day.
All right, man, we're over here at Bruce's shop, man. I'm gonna take Rico in. We're gonna see what's going on, man. We're just gonna check these guys out. See what's going on at Bruce's.
Motors, body, paint, you name it, we're gonna try to claim it.
See him yet? See him yet? This is the big one.
Huh?
They got a purr like a motherfucker on that.
You went to the sun hit it.
I see. Oh, I see it. Trust me.
On the other part of the world, I don't see this motherfucker.
This bitch had less than all, what?
Yeah. It'd be nice.
Set up.
I see.
Chevy game never sleeps, boy. Never sleeps.
You're right.
This bitch looks nice.
Thanks, man.
Relax, man. This bitch.
I'm the king.
You the king of this?
Hey, Mr. Back there.
You liking it?
Huh?
You like it?
Yeah.
How you like that green?
That's yours.
You like the green?
I like the green.
Oh, go ahead, man. I ain't worried about that.
You got LS enough?
Well, that's good. I mean, if I would have did it again, I would have probably went LS. They nice, but I already had a 400. I already had heads. I said, fuck it. I went through it.
Use what I got.
That's it. I went with it. Simple, all that. Too much, you know what I mean? And it ain't like I'm racing. Like you racing is going. I ain't racing. I'm gonna ride around with my shit. Right. Oh no, I'm ready, man. You know, I ain't no pussy. You know, I tell her, ain't no pussy.
Yeah,
You got to show what you got. Fuel injected and like, so, you know, but it's. Am I gonna go out there on the track and back and forth? Nah. Once you buy a Vert, you can't go back, dog.
That's how myself, my heart talking about work.
Yeah. Once you go Vert, you can't go back.
We don't ride it. 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 We don't ride it.
Hurt no, I'm looking like I'm in a bitch purse in the bird with them skirts go over 24, master flows in the back. Gunny when I hit the gas, so fast some crackers can't catch 454 on that ass. I got no tints on the glass, fool. You see me when I pass you.
So I had a homeboy who had a green set box Chevy. It was nice. It was real nice. I remembered it forever and a day. And I said, you know what, man? I'm gonna try something different. That green was mean, and that was it. I was set. I was going with the green and gold.
How do you think this came out? Like, you know, what your vision was and what the final product is?
I love it, man. you know, I didn't want no running motor. I didn't want none of that. That's why I didn't go LS at first, and then midway, you go to talking shit, and you know, this person can't beat me, that person can't beat me. You know, then your homeboys, you know, everybody got competition in them. So I'm like, all right, I'm not doing it. And sure enough, you go do this. You buy heads. You buy this. You buy that. You get rear end. You get posi. I bought a gift vendor. It just went out of control. Man, you get in the car, you in a different zone. You know, everybody on the street be looking. When that top be down, it feel like everything. When the top up, AC piping, they give
you that salute, right?
That's it.
You know when you got a good Vert, you get the salute.
You see what I mean? It don't matter. Everybody, it's the thumbs up.
It don't matter what race, it don't matter what nationality, man.
It don't matter. Look, that's a Quebec. That's how Quebec. Might be a rental or whatever, but they love it, man. Them people love it. Hey, I mean,
what you think?
Look how cool I am in my minivan. That's awesome.
Thank you, thank you.
Very cool.
Go ahead, roll on it a little. Vert, now I'm looking like I'm in a bitch purse in the Vert with them skirts go over 24s, master flows in the back. Gonna when I hit the gas, so fast some crackers can't catch 454 on that ass. I got no tints on the glass, fool. You see me when I pass you, weed in the air, music beating out the trunk too. Up in the front, saw down 2 foot long, one trigger pull, make a jack problem long gone.
That's 22, 23, 24, all the way to 26, sitting high when we roll. And then gunning, punching with the 454. Lick with there's some water on the marble kitchen floor. And we got that bang, 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 beating out the trunk and got that thing. Just that up in the trunk is alright. See you looking crazy with my click right by. But I blow the horn and throw it up and holler for life.
Thanks for checking out the 7-1, Lil Vert, how I get down. You know you got Lambs, KandyonChrome, we doing this thing, and we just riding. Next time we gonna get you another Vert. Let's do it.
When I hit the gas, so fast some crackers can't catch 454 on that ass.
sweatsuit, weed in the air, music beating out the